guys, it's Sarah from Cleaning Out Loud. Welcome or welcome back. I am so happy you are joining me today whilst we get some stuff done. I need to give a little bit of attention to the bedrooms and the bathroom. The boys have just arrived back from being away. They had such a wonderful time. But with them being back has brought a little bit of chaos. So I'm gonna give a little bit of attention to their bedrooms. My bedroom isn't too bad. I need to put away all the mess that I've made this morning and make my bed. Don't mind me chewing away. I'd actually snuck some sweets upstairs just to give me that little energy kick to get going. You will have noticed that I have actually bought some new bedding and I am in love with this duvet set. It's not really showing up the correct colour on camera, but it's like I guess it's like a sage green, but a really muted sage green. And then these cushion covers are a beautiful creamy colour, and I'm just loving this bed setup. I cannot wait to get into this room. For those of you that don't know, this bedroom used to actually be my middle son's bedroom, where you can see I've just come into now. And we used to be upstairs in the loft, but we've since moved down. So all the decor, the wall colour, all the dents in the walls, the chips out of the paint. That's not us. That's our that's our middle child's doing. So I cannot wait to get in and paint and make it our bedroom. Time frame wise, I have no idea when I'm going to get around to actually decorating the room. We have at this point been up here for about 6 months. So we'll see. Maybe it could be another 6 months before I finally get around to making our room, our room. Going back to the sage green, I've just got a thing about green at the moment, so I think that's the direction that we'll be heading in. So I've just cleaned my middle son's bedroom and I've moved on into the youngest bedroom. You'll see that I've been picking up lots of plates. Don't even. Like, I am fed up with asking them to bring their plates down. We seem to have most definitely hit the teenage keeping hold of plates, bowls, spoons. I think my son came down yesterday really proud of himself that he had managed to hold on to a plate. Of course, I made him stand there and painfully scrub every last stuck on bit of gravy that there was. So I think he will think twice about his life choices the next time he decides that he's going to hold on to disgusting, dirty plates. This is my youngest son's room, for those of you that are new here. And as much as I love this black furniture, it shows every single fingerprint. And he's a boy. He's very stereotypically a boy with sticky fingers, and sticky fingers and black furniture do not gel well. So it's a constant battle. I am forever in here wiping up all these sticky fingerprints all over the place. At this point, I believe the boys have been home for 5 days, and I did a huge deep clean of their bedrooms whilst they were away. Um, so this is how much damage he can do in under a week. It was pretty gross. It was pretty disgusting. But for the most part, he is actually my cleanest child, believe it or not. And this is a pet rock. that I'm trying to hide away. It did get found and it did get put back, but, that's fine if he wants a pet rock. I remember very, very well that my youngest sister had a thing for pet rocks. She would find the biggest rock she possibly could, and she would look after it like it was a baby. And this went on for years. She would literally sleep with it under her pillow every single night. We are now moving into the bathroom. I believe this is the last job of the day for me. Obviously, with the boys back, I need to go back to fully bleaching absolutely everything. So I am just spraying down the sink, well, first of all, I'm giving it a dry wipe over just to work the bleach in, and then I'll add a little bit of water just to get rid of the residue. So how are we all, guys? I feel like I haven't spoken to you in ages, but in actual fact, I've been chatting with quite a few of you in the comments, and I've been really enjoying getting to know my subscribers, my friends that you have now become. So I have quite a few positives, quite a few good things that have happened this week. Obviously, the boys were away, so I got some me-ish time. Of course, I did go on a bit of a cleaning bender, but with them coming back, it meant that I got to hang out with my beautiful sister. So she is the middle sister, and she actually lived with us from the age of 17 until she went off to university. So she was very much involved in my eldest Colby's life and my middle child Logan's life when they were born. So she had a very active auntie slash mummy role. Um, so it was really, really nice to see her because she lives in York. So that's about 5 hours away from us. And her partner came, and he's absolutely fantastic with the boys. He is the type of uncle that okay, so when they arrived, I found him and the kids in the garden practicing fire throwing. So for those of you that don't know what that is, that it's a contraption on the end of a rope that you set on fire and you basically twirl it around. I'm fully aware that I am absolutely butchering what the technical terminology for what it actually is. Um, I didn't allow it to be lit, so it was unlit, and the boys were practicing how to control it, and it was just really nice to watch. The last time that they came to visit, he actually took the boys to the farmers' fields, and they went foraging, and they went into the forest, and then they came home and had a fire pit in the garden. So the boys absolutely dote on him. And I think the last time that we saw them was about 2019. So as you can imagine, my family felt complete and my heart was super happy. Guys, thank you for hanging out with me today. You are amazing. If you're not subscribed, please do. It definitely helps my channel grow and be noticed. If you enjoyed, hit that like button, and I will see you all next week with a secret that I have been keeping. Much love.